Guys, we're walking to the spot. As you can see by my arm, I forgot my hoodie and bug spray, which might be a mistake. But oh well. Alright guys, we're here. I'm planning on doing a full creek fishing video, but I'm actually gonna be quiet now. Oh wow, there's a lot more water here than expected. But yeah, we're just gonna fish this little bridge for now. But I gotta be quiet. These fish can hear everything. My bait's right there. I don't know. Where's the camera? When you're fishing these little streams, you want to make it look as natural as possible. And luckily right now, there's a little breeze, so I don't feel any mosquitoes actually right now. You want it to be as natural as possible. All right, let's try on this side. Let's give that side a break. Water's moving a lot faster over here. And there's a lot more cover. But that's good, because that means there's probably a lot more fish. Hold on, let me try to get over there. Guys, I'm gonna try to get over this way. Hold on. Alright guys, so, if you're wondering what the rig is, first we got, forgot what this thing's called. Wait, shoot, how is it blanking on me? Swivel. That's right. Down to about 2 feet, 2.5 feet of line, down to a little size 6 eagle claw hook with a piece of worm on it. Made the worm a bit smaller. I took like a third of it off. So let's try it again now with the smaller worm. Oh, one almost took it. One almost took it. To bet there's a trout right in here, in this little pool. Oh fuck, okay, we're unsnagged. We're good now. I'm willing to bet that there's one in here. Good spot here. I walked a bit downstream. But we're gonna try to drop it right in there. Oh, I see fish. I see trout. I literally see them. More line. spot. I don't really see much action over here. Those fish, I think, are spooked over there. Right? I don't think there's anything here. Alright guys, we're back. These brook trout are really kicking my ass right now. I don't know what it is. Maybe I'm not. Maybe the worm isn't good. I don't know. Oh my god, that was a big one. That's a big one. Oh yeah, I got him. Guys, I got him. What the hell is this thing? Oh, it's a rainbow. Guys, I caught a rainbow. Guys, it's a fat one too. Holy crap. Dude, guys, I finally caught one. I've been here for so long. Here, let me put him out and then I'll cut. That is a Vermont rainbow, if I've ever seen one. Fully caught that on video. Fucking finally, this is a big one too. It's the biggest one I saw in there. Seen all day actually. But yeah, that's a Vermont rainbow. I'm on like a leaf or something. Oh, there's a snail, hold on. Oh my god, I got fish blood everywhere. Alright, let me put you in the bag. Alright guys, I want to try on this bridge one last time. And if we don't get anything, I'm gonna call it a day. But pretty good, we got our big ass rainbow for this creek. Shit, okay. Alright guys, let's go. Come on, let's get one more. Oh dude, that guy fucking fucked this worm up. Shit. We snapped off our hook, but pretty good day. We caught that rainbow. So yeah, that's what I came here for. That was a nice rainbow, especially for this creek. It's probably as big as they get. Huge competition for food in there, and there's not much food floating around. That's probably why this guy was greedy. Probably hasn't seen a meal in a while. But yeah, here once I get to the, here actually, I'll just show you guys right now. Let's measure him too. Let me put the rod down. So, this guy, this rainbow is, I'll bring up the measuring board for you guys. Hope you can see. This guy is about 7 3/4. So pretty nice. I don't know if you guys can see, but pretty nice rainbow.